Okay folks, today we have a 2018 Hyundai Elantra Value Edition, just in with less than 6,000 miles, folks. This vehicle is like brand new and it's certified pre-owned. You have the nice metallic white pearl coat on the outside, equipped with fog lights and a moonroof. Let's take a closer look at these interior features. All right, everybody, taking a look in the trunk space of this Elantra, you'll notice it is incredibly roomy in the back there, and it also comes equipped with the spare tire as well. Moving to the back seat area, you have your nice black cloth interior, extremely comfortable, and plenty of legroom and headroom for any passengers you want to bring along with you. Moving to the front of the vehicle, as I mentioned earlier, you do have the moonroof in there. You also have heated seats in here, as well as Bluetooth capabilities, so you can hook up your smartphone with no problem at all. All right, everybody, come on down to 115 Lenz Rd to Delaney Honda here in Indiana, PA. And check out this just-in 2018 certified pre-owned Hyundai Elantra Value Edition. White metallic pearl coat, moonroof with the heated seats. This vehicle will take you anywhere you need to go with great fuel economy and style, folks. So come check it out and come see me today. Trust it. Thank you, folks, and have a great day.